Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. S to the power of 4, that is about s squared everything to the power of 2. Next, we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to s squared. Later that, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have 2s ds. Because we don't have number 2, so we need to divide both sides by number 2, and we have du over number 2 equals to s ds. Next, we need to change the bounds. When s equals to number 1, so we put number 1 gone here, and we got about u equals to number 1. When s approaches to positive infinity, so this one will go to positive infinity. So the bound we keep the same. This one we change for u. S ds we change for this one. Now we can put about the limit. So a approach to positive infinity. So we have the integration from number 1 to a. So in this one, we can use about integration by trigonometric substitution. So I will put about u equal to secant of t, because if I put this one gone here, we got secant of t squared minus number 1, and this one we can change by tan t squared, the square root, and du will simplify this one. Next, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have like this. Now we need to change the bounds. When u equals to number 1, so we put number 1 gone here, so we can find the value of t, that is about number 0. When u equals to 8, so we put 8 gone here, and we have t equal to a secant of 8. So number 1 we change for number 0, 8 we change for this one. So u we change by secant of t, du we change by this one. So this one, that is about tan t squared. The square root of tan t squared, we have tan t, and later that we simplify, and we got secant of t dt. So the integration of this one, that is about ln of the absolute value of secant of t plus tan t, and we put the bounds from 0 to a secant of 8. And now we put this one gone here, number 0 gone here, So we have like this. So secant with arcsecant we have 8. Tan we keep the same. Minus Ln of secant of number 0 plus tan of number 0. Now, this one, we have number 1. Ln number 1, you got number 0. So we put like this. Now, when a approach to positive infinity, this one will go to positive infinity. So the answer is about positive infinity. This is the end. Thank you for watching.